my name is Cara Snyder. I'm one of the 4 founders. I'll introduce the others to you later. But this is our open house, the end of our open house, and the culmination in performance for you, both students and instructors performing tonight. We're going to start off the evening with a rope trio, and I'll tell you more about this space and everything else later, but let's get into the fun.